You gonna read me a story?
Come here, Daddy. It's a big one.
Oh, that is a big one. Should we get that down?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna read this story to me?
Yeah. Robot. Robot.
Whee!
Robot. It's robot. It's robot. It's robot. It's robot. Come here, Daddy.
I'm right here.
Okay.
Oh, you drew that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Read to me.
What's that?
You tell me. What is that? What is that?
It's a skeleton.
Skeleton. Yeah. What's a skeleton do? What else do we have here? Let's turn the page. Ooh, what's that? What is that? What do you got there?
Here.
Read me a story.
What's that?
What is that?
And that's Baba.
That looks like a skeleton.
Yeah. It's Baba Berta.
Really?
It's Baba Berta.
Bob the Builder?
Baba Berta. Baba Berta.
What's that?
What's that?
You tell me.
Skeleton
Yeah.
talking.
Skeleton's talking. What's he say?
Skeleton talking.
What does the skeleton say?
I don't know. No. Man. Head on the man.
Ooh, what's that? That looks like a foot. Is that a foot?
Yeah. It's my shit.
Ooh.
What's that?
That is a taste bud.
What's that?
That is a papilla.
What's that?
That is the olfactory epithelium.
What's that?
That is a lateral section through the head.
What's that?
Oh, those are just words. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look. It's the immune system.
Skeleton.
Yeah, skeleton.
Yeah.
And there's inside a lymph node.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the male thorax.
What's that?
That's a close-up of the female thorax.
What's that?
That is the anterior view.
Yeah.
Yeah, what else do you see there? What else do you see? What's on this page?
Mommy's hair. It's mommy's hair.
Mommy hair, yeah. Okay, we'll clean that up here. Okay.
It's daddy hair.
That's not a daddy hair. My hair's not that long.
It's daddy.
Daddy's hair is short, just like yours. Okay, say hello to you.
Hello.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See you later.
See you later, Grandma. See you later.
Blow kiss.